I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your address on SoFi, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your SoFi account. Open the SoFi app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section, usually located in the menu. Step 3. Select Address Update. Look for the option to update your address within the profile settings. This might be labeled as personal information or address. Step 4. Enter your new address. Fill in your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double-check for any typos, especially in the zip code. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, confirm the changes by clicking the appropriate button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the update. Remember, if you don't see the update option, try refreshing the app or logging out and back in. Good luck with your address update.